Goddamn boards, look. Look, I'm only at the cleaning this. The fucking boards are throwing stuff on it already. Look at that. Just give it a quick wash. Isn't this so beautiful? There's me prelude as well. Look at that. Isn't they so gorgeous together? Beautiful. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Gavin, this is GPTV, and in today's video I will show you how to get rid of this squeaky sound from your clutch. Okay, there's no sound. Hold on. There, did you hear that? This is how it happens. So every time I'm at a set of traffic lights and I wanted to drive away slowly, or I'm in traffic and I'm just moving, edging slowly forward or whatever, that sound drives me crazy. It sounds like there's something wrong with it. It sounds like it's about to break or something like that, especially when you have a passenger or something in the car. They sort of go, what's that sound? But anyway, I've done this before and I used this. This is just lithium grease, any lithium grease. It doesn't have to be the WD-40, but the lithium grease is what you need to use. But I've done this before anyway, and it just comes back after a while. It's something that you're gonna have to do a couple of times. I've done this maybe 5 months ago or so, and I have to do it again now. It does work straight away, but after a while, after it wears away and goes back to steel against plastic, you get that sound again. So you need to use some of this again. Let me know in the comments if you've found any permanent fix for this. I haven't, so that's why I'm just going to use this again. Before I go any further, would you please, I want to try and get like maybe 50 likes on this video. It would be fantastic. If I can get 50 likes on this video, I'll be over the moon. Please like the video and possibly subscribe. If you do like the content and you haven't commented or you haven't liked the videos, please do. It's really appreciated, it really is. Thank you and enjoy the video. Okay, so the first thing I would suggest that you do is raise your steering wheel to just give you a bit more space, and also pull your seat back just to give you that space to get in here. Right, don't mind the dirt. I just haven't cleaned out the car in a long time. It's filthy. Anyway, don't mind all that crap. But I have one of these tools. Now this is very handy for what I'm about to do, but you can just use a normal screwdriver, and a long nose pliers would help as well, but it's fairly simple to do anyway. So I'm going to jump under here and get this sorted. So the reason that you are squeaking so much is because of this here. This spring goes into this little plastic sort of washer thing here with a hole in the middle of it. So it goes straight through the middle of it into this. And when you depress your clutch, you get this sound. That spring is rubbing off the inside of that plastic there, that plastic washer. So we need to take that spring out and we need to lubricate the inside of this washer here with the lithium grease, and then put that spring back in. It is extremely difficult to try and do this upside down in this tiny little small space and film this at the same time. So as I said, thumbs up please. So just get your screwdriver and push that out. That's the first thing to do. That'll just pop out now. When that pops out, just be careful you don't lose that spring. Just leave the spring there, it'll be fine. If possible, get one of the lithium cans with the long reach straw on it, and get yourself a rag or a cloth and just place it under here. And close your eyes and spray into that hole right there. Okay, close your eyes. No peeking. Close your eyes. Now all around that area. Ooh, don't breathe that in either. Now we have to do the other one up here. You see it there? And what I would suggest is that you put this spring in first and then take that one out and do this one. Right, I just needed to push the clutch down so that would just pop in itself then. Now the same on this side. Do you know what, you don't even need to take it all the way out, so just take it out slightly, because it is very awkward to put them back in. Get your rag, put your rag underneath so it doesn't drip all over your carpets. Spray that right there, all around there. So if you just depress your clutch again, it will just sort of pop back into place. You see it over there? Just watch, it'll pop in. There, see? Just spray it all around that area as much as you can, in the hole as well as you can as well. Now just pump the clutch a couple of times to lubricate it, and that should be the job done. Now when I slowly remove the clutch, that should be it. The squeak should be gone. Leaky seats are cool. I'd have to do it. It's a 2-minute job, some lithium grease, bit of patience and whatever, and it's easy. You know, as long as you have the right type of tools, like that little hook thing that I have, it's fantastic. But there are other reasons why your clutch might be squeaking like that. It could be the actual where the clutch cable is connected to in under the engine bay, which is, you'd have to jack the car up and get in there. It's the slave cylinder. The slave cylinder can squeak as well, so you can get some lithium grease in there and do the same thing if that's what it is. But for this video, or for this car, I mean, this is the only issue I have, is the clutch squeaking in when I'm releasing it slowly at traffic lights or in a traffic jam. So as I said at the start of the video, if you don't mind leaving a like on the video, I'd love to just try and hit 50 likes. Like, most people are asking for 1,000 likes and all, I'm asking for 50. The most likes I usually get is around 20 or so, but I know I can hit 50. Please, I know I can hit 50. I also want to say thank you to Ronan and to Bradley for getting in touch with me on Instagram and talking to me about their cars and what their likes are. If you want to get in touch with me on Instagram, you can do. It's at GPTV 2020. It's in the description anyway there. But yeah, thanks very much for everybody for commenting, support me through this very slow journey, or I say it journey. Most people slag me for saying journey, but I think it's journey or journey. I don't know what way anybody wants to say it, but I say it journey. I know it sounds stupid, but that's just the way I say it. Okay, that's just the way I say it. Anyway, yeah, thanks everybody for supporting me. Thanks for the comments, thanks for the likes, thanks for everything. These are all sound. Bye bye.